Okay. Okay. You can put your hand to support his back. That's
Okay.
good. No. Like your hand,
What do you mean?
like holding him so he can eat.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Actually.
Oh,
Good.
that was a big brother.
So usually when you birth them,